And here we are at the last step, pretty much just right before paints, taking care of any small imperfections, you know, like pinholes, anything. You want to take care of everything. Right now, how it looks is pretty much how it's going to look when it's painted. So any small imperfection needs to be taken care of now, or that's it. It's a wrap, right? So we've already done the treasure chest, we've done the undercarriage, we've done the jams. So now it's just ready for the last. So we're just doing last minute blocking, wet sanding and everything to get this thing ready. And our goal is to get this thing painted tomorrow. That is the goal. Paint this thing tomorrow. So we'll see how it turns out. Alright, it's in the booth already. It's ready to get some color. We're going to do some last minute masking. And then we're going to go ahead and start masking off for either color. I think we're going to do the white first. We're going to do the white first, mask that off. Then we're going to unmask it, mask the blue, and then we're going to go ahead and shoot the blue. And then take off all the tape and then shoot the clear coat over everything. So that way there's no hard line or nothing. Alright, so we got the base coat down first. Now we're going to go ahead and start masking to lay down our blue. Then we're going to go ahead and unmask everything and shoot our clear coat. So this is, obviously a process. It takes a little bit of time, but I think the end result is going to look really good. Hey, what's up guys? So finally yesterday the VW bus got its second color and it got the clear coat on there. Let's take a look at this thing because it's badass, man. Let's take a look at this thing. Whoo! Damn. I'm not like bragging or anything, but our guys can really lay it down. We still got a couple parts left though, like gas door, the treasure chest doors, and the motor cover, and all the gates still. But finally the actual body has its color. We shot the treasure chest, we shot the engine bay, we shot the interior, we shot the undercarriage. So it's been a lot of paint work to get this thing to this phase. Now we're in the home stretch. Couple panels left to go, and this thing is ready. So next time you'll see this thing, hopefully it'll be all put together and ready to go. So that's it for today.